this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for the elementary YouTube hop for back to school photos, and Sarah Scraps runs this every year, and we are on a 3-day part, so it's elementary, middle school, and high school, I think is how it's split up. And since I'm an elementary teacher, I am still working on my layout that was done for not 1920, not 2021. This was 21-22. So yes, some of my photos still have the you-know-whats on there. That was part of our districts. We didn't release the stuff until March of 2022, if I remember correctly. So with all that being said, they had to do soaring expectations. That is what we use for our words about respect and all that. So each group had to make their own little poster, and it all got hung up outside through like for a week and stuff. And we talk about respect, on time and on task, just things like that. So that's what these photos are about. And let's go ahead and see what I can do. Alright, this is going to be a quick and easy layout. I just wanted to pretty much get this scrapbooked up and, you know, on my channel, because I am, this heat, Lord Jesus, it just gets me tired every day. And when I'm in my element outside, trying to get the car riders done and this, that, and the other, it's just exhausting. And then middle school sports is starting, so then my business manager job is starting. So yeah, so what I decided that I am going to take some of the papers that I have used with this collection and kind of place them in certain spots just to give it a little bit of backing, and then just to kind of give it some little bit of a background. I liked this camera photo paper that I have for the main background. I really didn't want to cut into too many other other papers, because I wanted to keep this kind of simple. Because sometimes with my school photos, I just want to be able to scrapbook them and not like put too much thought to them, because they're my school scrapbook. It's just to give me kind of a year in a life, or yeah, kind of like a year in a life photos for this particular, you know, each year. So this is one of those years that this is the last third grade year that I taught for third grade. I have not hit the first year of fourth grade, so I am a little, for my standards, a little behind. And my title is going to be called Let's Be Soaring, I think is what I said. And it works wonderful, because that is the theme to my school for PVIS, and it's soar, and each letter means something for the school and our PVIS, like our PVIS for behaviors and stuff. That is what it is. So each letter means something. So SOAR means something in our school. And so that is why I decided to do that for my title. I am going to let you watch this, and we're going to talk about this hop. There is 3 days to this hop. This is the elementary. Now, while I am not doing any of my daughter's photos, but what I am doing is my elementary side of it, because Kaylin was in 5th grade. That's what photos I am starting with, and that would have been on Friday. No, Thursday. No, Friday. So today is elementary. Thursday is like 5th through 8th, I think. So she would have fell into the Thursday category, like middle school, and then high school and beyond. Ooh, excuse me. So that could have been like college or any of that. So make sure that you check everybody that's linked down below. There is playlists, and there is plenty when I say plenty of us doing back to school themes of some sort, it's there. So if you're wanting any information or anything, go check them out. If you are coming from one of the other ones, welcome. I am so glad to have you. I do upload typically between 2 to 3 times a week. I just started back on my 6th year of school at the school that I am at because I am a 4th grade teacher. So it's been very long and very taxing these first few weeks, but once we get into the groove, we will be good to go. So I am in my 3rd week of school and I absolutely love it. My kiddos are amazing. They are great, great set of kids, and I couldn't ask for a better team. My counterpart teacher is amazing and our groups are amazing. And now I am just going to add a bunch of sequins everywhere. It is called In the Navy. It is from Spiegel Mom Scraps. That will be listed down below as well. If you use my name Miranda15, my code Miranda15, you will get 15% off your order of any of the collections. I absolutely love that. I use a lot of her sequences. I love her sequence mixes over there. And I'm just kind of playing around, and I'm going to be honest with you, I am almost done. This layout came together pretty quick, pretty easily and pretty quickly, and that's what I like to have sometimes. Sometimes just the simple layouts are amazing. So make sure that you go check out everybody that's linked in the playlist. Check out all of that. Here I come in with my black. I do add my little black spots everywhere. I do give a little bit of... I think I come in with gold splatters. Maybe not. Yeah, I do come in with gold splatters. That comes as well. And then the still shots are coming up. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. Design teams, collaborations, all of the fun stuff. I am on my way to 4,000 subscribers, and I would love to have you. Still shots are here. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day.